captivates with its sunny weather, stunning landscapes, and vibrant community, attracting millions who aspire to careers in film and entertainment. This exceptional environment serves as a catalyst for creativity and inspiration among artists. Hobart Johnston Whitley, often hailed as the father of Hollywood, played a pivotal role in its development through real estate and town planning. His vision transformed a once rural settlement into a thriving urban center. The early success of Hollywood was greatly shaped by the support of local entrepreneurs and residents who embraced Whitley's vision. This collaborative spirit proved vital in establishing Hollywood's distinct identity. Hollywood's incorporation in 1903 marked a significant turning point, introducing local governance and regulations that influenced its early growth and development, including the ban on alcohol sales. Filmmakers who had initially settled in New Jersey migrated to Hollywood, seeking refuge from the monopolistic control wielded by the Motion Picture Patents Company. This transition was critical in cultivating an independent filmmaking environment. The appealing climate, diverse landscapes, and affordable land prices of Hollywood drew filmmakers, facilitating the creation of independent studios. This environment nurtured innovative and creative endeavors within the film industry. The founding of Hollywood's first film studio in 1911 catalyzed the rise of major companies such as Paramount and Warner Brothers. This development laid the foundation for Hollywood's enduring cinematic legacy. Immigrants significantly influenced early Hollywood, rising to prominence as actors and directors. Their contributions greatly propelled the advancement of the film industry during its formative years. World War II marked a period in Hollywood where politics and cinema intertwined, as filmmakers creatively addressed pressing global issues. Despite economic challenges, film production witnessed a substantial increase during this time. The 1930s saw an influx of established filmmakers relocating to Hollywood, creating a melting pot of talent that solidified the region's status as the global cinema capital. Following the war, audience behaviors shifted dramatically as television emerged as a formidable competitor to film. This transformation led to a decline in theater attendance alongside a rise in television ownership. By the late 1950s, new directors emerged, effectively redefining American cinema and heralding the onset of the blockbuster era. This evolution mirrored changing audience tastes and the industry's response to them. The Walk of Fame, with its stars' handprints and footprints, serves as a bridge between Hollywood's rich history and its contemporary appeal, making it an essential destination for visitors. Established in 1929, the Oscars symbolized the pinnacle of achievement in the film industry, underscoring Hollywood's enduring commitment to celebrating cinematic excellence over the years. Hollywood's transformation during the 1930s to 1950s, from a prestigious, exclusive venue to a widely accessible mass entertainment center, fundamentally altered the way cinema was consumed and appreciated.